Ever been out with friends, phone about to die, and realize you're the only one without cash? Awkward, right? Especially in today's world, where digital wallets often reign supreme. GrabPay, Southeast Asia's favorite e-wallet, boasts tons of features, but can it actually replace your good old ATM card? Let's dive in and see if GrabPay can turn you into a human cash machine. The allure of going cashless. Think about it. Ditch the bulky wallet, avoid scrambling for change at the register, and say goodbye to ATM fees. Digital wallets offer a streamlined way to manage your finances, often with rewards and cashback programs on top. GrabPay integrates seamlessly with various Grab services, making it a convenient one-stop shop for everything from ride-hailing to food deliveries. So, can we just ditch cash altogether? Hold your horses, the limitations of GrabPay. Unfortunately, withdrawing cash directly from your GrabPay balance isn't as straightforward as you might hope. GrabPay primarily functions as a closed-loop system, meaning your funds are best suited for in-app transactions or partnered merchants. While some physical stores might accept GrabPay QR codes for payment, withdrawing actual cash requires a workaround. Workaround 1. Partnering up with ATMs. Here's a glimmer of hope. Grab occasionally partners with specific banks in certain regions. These partnerships allow you to withdraw cash from ATMs using your GrabPay linked bank account or debit card. However, there are crucial caveats. First, this feature isn't universally available. Second, these withdrawals might incur fees from both Grab and the partnered bank. So, it's not exactly an ideal on-the-go solution. Workaround 2. Transfer funds and the waiting game. Another option involves transferring your GrabPay balance to a linked bank account. This process typically takes a few business days, which isn't exactly helpful when you need immediate cash. Plus, depending on your bank, you might encounter additional transfer fees. Workaround 3. The peer-to-peer shuffle. If you're in a real pinch, you could try sending your GrabPay balance to a friend who has cash withdrawal options. This method relies on trust and can get messy if not handled carefully. Remember, peer-to-peer transactions within GrabPay might not be intended for cash disbursement. The bottom line, GrabPay isn't your cash cow, yet. While GrabPay offers incredible convenience for in-app transactions and partnered merchants, it currently falls short as a complete cash replacement. The workarounds for withdrawing cash involve limitations, fees, and waiting periods. The future of GrabPay cash withdrawals. The good news? Grab is constantly innovating. Partnerships with banks and the development of Grab-branded cards could potentially revolutionize cash withdrawals in the future. Until then, GrabPay remains a fantastic tool for digital spending, but keep some backup cash or a linked bank account handy for emergencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.